Hey, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. So today we're going to be having a quick listen and react to Usher and Alicia Keys' performance at the Super Bowl halftime show. So let's do this. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's go. Alicia Keys on piano is always magical. I'm not too sure what that note was. That was a little weird.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at
I'm not gonna lie, I think her voice sounds a little strained here. It's not sounding that great. I think Usher could have come in with that harmony a little bit stronger. It was quite weak the way that he came in. This part sounds nice. Oh, Alicia Keys is so beautiful. Love her smile. Okay. Usher's moves. Alicia's vocals sound a little weak. It's like she's opted to sing with more of a nasal tone. It's really thin. It's like I would expect her to sing this chorus with a little bit more of a fuller tone, a little bit more power and depth in her voice. Vocal crack. That can happen to any of us and for a number of reasons. Alicia's face at the end. I'm not too sure if Usher was just a little too much, if he was just doing a little too much in that. But anyway, I digress. But yeah, vocal cracks, they can happen to us singers for a number of reasons. Vocal fatigue, improper breath support, dehydration, and also technical challenges, you know. But yeah, if I'm honest, I don't think Alicia's vocals were that strong on this particular performance. So from that reaction, I just wanted to say that it's not always easy singing and performing. It's easy for me to sit here and critique Alicia's vocals because I'm not the one performing, right? But as singers, we have an instrument that's part of our body. It's part of who we are. We don't have the luxury of putting our instruments away once we've finished using them like musicians can with their guitars and pianos. They can put them away and cover them up once they've finished using them, but we don't have that luxury as singers, you know. And there's so many things that can have a negative impact on our voices. Our whole lifestyle choices can have an impact on our voice. If we're stressed, if we're anxious as well, if we're lacking in sleep, if we're dehydrated, if we're sick, if we have colds, even the foods that we eat and drink, you know. So I don't know what's going on with Alicia's voice. Maybe she's sick, maybe she's just experiencing vocal fatigue, maybe her voice is just giving her weird things, you know. The voice gives you different things on different days. But yeah, regardless of that, she would have still had to perform at the Super Bowl. So I just wanted to say it's not easy. I always take this into consideration when I'm critiquing singers, you know. Don't come at me for being too harsh with Alicia on this performance. At the end of the day, I'm a huge fan. She's an amazing artist, performer, musician and songwriter. It's just that she didn't bring her A game to this particular performance, and we don't know the reasons why, but she's only human, and we're all only human, and we're not perfect, you know. So I just wanted to put that out there. But she truly is amazing. But I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like the video. And yeah, if you would like me to critique your singing, I promise I'll try not to be too hard. I want you to check out my Vizio, which is vizio.com/voicesavvy. You'll see it on the screen, but you can submit your videos and I'll respond with feedback, vocal exercises, yeah, for you to improve your voice, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Let me stop waffling. I'm gonna go, and until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.